Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're serious about growing your Instagram and boosting your follower count, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to get over 100,000 real followers in just 3 easy steps. This method has been tested by me, and I can assure you, it works. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Make your Instagram account public. Here's how to do it. Open Instagram, go to your profile, and click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down to Account Privacy. If your account is private, toggle it to public. This is super important because a public account allows more people to discover your content. Step 2. Head over to RXGEM. This site is completely safe. I've personally tested it with no issues. When you're on the site, just search for Instagram in the search box and click on it. Give it a few seconds for the next step to load. Step 3. Complete a quick device verification. Don't stress. It's super fast and easy. Depending on your location, you'll need to finish one of the available offers. This could involve confirming your phone number, verifying your email, or downloading an app or game and using it briefly. Once that's done, the verification will be successful, and you're good to go. Now, here comes the exciting part. Watch your follower count rise like crazy. You'll see the numbers jump up, and before you know it, you'll have over 100,000 real followers. And that's it. 3 simple steps to grow your Instagram with real followers. Make sure you subscribe because in the next video, I'll be showing you how to turn these followers into real profits on Instagram. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.